Hi friends, so welcome back everyone once again to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your very own trading friend. So friends, we kickstarted this live trading execution. Why am I calling live trading? Because all the trades which I've done are all live with all the workshop students. So that is why I'm calling it as live experiment. And we started it in the month of August, and I told you I'll be showing you the performance month on month. And September is being completed today, and you're going to look into today's the whole month analysis. There are many more things to see, many learnings we had. Apart from that, you can also watch into my ledger. I'll show you my ledger as well. So everything is available. Stay tuned till end of the video. This is really going to be a motivation for each and every retail trader, that is an individual trader like you and me, that yes, you can make money out of stock market by just following a single strategy. That is why the name is called as mechanical trading system. So friends, many were asking me, so please teach me a mechanical trading system. Friends, starting from the first video which I have uploaded on my channel are all pure mechanical trading system, where the entries are clear, exits are clear, stop losses are clear, everything is clear. So what do you mean by mechanical trading system? If you have a clear-cut rules for entry, exit and stop loss, and it is called as a mechanical trading system. Yes, there will be stop losses, continuous back-to-back losses, but that is how a real trader is found out, or real trader comes out, when you can really face these kind of losses and continue with the same system even though it gives you 5 or 10 losses. Yes. So now let us go forward. Before going forward, just disclaimer. So you would have seen in movies like this kind of disclaimers, but I just want to say you, I am doing trading and I'm trading risking almost 5% per trade. It doesn't per day, sorry, not per trade. It doesn't mean that you have to do the same. It is just my style of trading because I am very confident about my strategy. And one more update about this program, friends. From now onwards, it will never be called as trading for living, because I just got this feedback from few of my students. Sir, for living, you just hardly need 40 to 50,000 rupees. Not even so much. You need 20, 30 rupees for a common middleman to live, to survive. So nowhere your program is for living. Your program is teaching all the traders to fly. And also the short form of my channel name, that is ATF, Angel Trading Friend, has been converted into any trader can fly. So this workshop from now onwards is called as any trader can fly. And let us look into the ledger first, then we can look into the analysis. So this is my back office of Upstock, that is keystone.upstock.com, and this is my client ID. I am just logging in, so that first we'll have a look at the ledger. And so you can see it's my ledger itself. Let us go into the bill and look into the bill summary and see. This is from 1st September, yeah, from 1st September till 30th September. So I'm recording this video today, so today's profit will not be shown in this. But I know how much it is. Almost everyone knows how much I got today, because I've been posting it daily on WhatsApp as well, WhatsApp status. Yeah. So this is my back office ledger, friends. You can just have a look, so that I just want to be fair enough. Okay. So same thing, all the same values. So we were lucky enough to get continuous profits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 continuous profits we had. It was very lucky. September month was bad for many people, but for us it was very lucky. Yes. Now this comes to the beauty, the equity curve. This is a dream of all the traders, to see their equity curve continuously going up. So what do you mean by equity curve? Nothing but your account. So that this pictorial representation shows you how continuous your profit is. I mean your capital, your whole investment is growing. Yeah. So we had touched almost 14 lakhs. We started with less than 8 lakhs, almost touched 14 lakhs, and almost all the trades were done live. 100% was done live. And the best part is, this was not done only by me. It was almost all the students, those who are attending the workshop, all have done live with me. That's the best part. Okay. So each trade, when you analyze, so this is how it went. You can see the losses are within the limit. So we had continuous back-to-back two losses, that is on 29th and 30th. And but the best part is, it is still in the limit. We don't cross more than 5%. So if at all, if you ask me why this line is bigger, reason because as the capital increase, the 5% limit also increases. That is why you can see the lines are bigger. but overall the concept is cut your losses and run your profits. So let us just look into the trade log. So as you all know, we start off with a capital of 7.75. If you're not seen performance of August month, you can just have a look into my video. It is already available. August month available, update as well. And the profit we made was till now, as of now, is 5 lakh 6,247, thereby a total balance increasing to 12 lakh 81,247. So what I had shown you in my ledger is September month's performance. You can see from 1st September everything I have just noted down here. So this was a continuous 8 days profit which we had, and you can just see we had almost touched 85-90% returns. We started off this in August 10th, so less than in 2 months we were close to 100% returns. So I was thinking once I finish 100% I can stop. Reason because I told you in the beginning itself, main intention was to make the money reach compound to 100% and then show you that yes, retail people can make money out of stock market. Retail people can live out of stock market, trading by living. That was the main intention of showing this program or conducting this live program as well. But unfortunately we had back to back 2 losses, but that's okay, part of trading. And this is what I was talking about. This losses, if at all you're feeling it is big, it is not big, friends, because we had a capital of around close to 14 lakhs, and this was nothing but 5% of our capital, and we had small slippages. That is why it is little on the higher side, but not an issue. As long as we are keeping it under control, we don't have to worry. Now one thing which you all have to learn is the compounding part. Yeah, so as I told you, I started off with 1 lot per lakh, so I had 7 lakhs, close to 8 lakh and balance. So I started off with 8 lots. So considering it as round figure 8 lakhs, I started with 8 lots, and then when my capital increased to 9 lakh, I increased my lot size to 9. This is how we do the compounding. And for people those who say that, so if you are living, how do you manage this compounding as well? So for them, what you have to do is that month end, with whatever profit you are getting, you must take 50% for your expenses, or if you feel that you need very much less for your expenses, then accordingly you can plan it. But generally what we do is 50% I take out for my expenses and 50% I keep it for compounding as well. But in this account we are not doing it, because I told you my target is to make sure I'll reach 100% and show you all that yes, we can compound money. Okay, so the important part, compounding. So what I am doing is I'm not very aggressive. So here you can see that when my capital has come down to 8 lakhs, I have reduced from 9 to 8. Okay, so some people, what they do is once they reach to 9, they'll never come back to 8, because they say that as you reduce your lot size, the money required will be more again for recovering the loss. But I am following a very safer kind of safer method, where if the funds are reducing to 8 lakhs, I will come back to 8 lots, and if the funds increase to 9, I'm going back to 9. So you can see that it's not always increasing. After 10 I went to 11, then I went to 12, 13, 14. From 14 again, when I got a loss, I came back to 13. So you can see here we got a loss and I came back to 13. Again I went to 14 and again came back to 13. So this is how we manage with the lot size, and very important part is compounding. So people those who have not compounded have reached around 25% returns. That is because those who start with 1 lakh, what has happened is they are not getting, they are not yet reached to a level of compounding. So this is the best part, friends, because there is also a saying that the first crore is the difficult part. That is, the first million is the most difficult part. Once you make your first million, then second million, third million, fourth million comes automatically. Same concept here as well. First 1 lakh achieving is the most difficult part, but after that, when you start doing compounding, your returns also will increase exponentially. Yeah. So looking into the summary, the most important part. So you can see our accuracy has increased. So again, it is not in our hand. As I told you, 50% accuracy also is more than enough. But fortunately, this month, September month, was very good. We had almost 61 overall, now 61% accuracy, and the risk reward ratio is close to 1 is to 1.5. Although we had 1 is to 1 is to 2, recent 2 losses has made it to 1 is to 1.5, but that is okay. When you average it out for a long series for a long time, you will get a better result. Now the return on investment, as I told you, is 65.32%, friends, within less than 2 months. And as I told you, my main aim was to, at least initially I told you, if you get more than fixed deposit, it is more than happy. After removing your brokerages and all those things, if you're getting more than fixed deposit, then you can say you're successful as a trader. So with that intention we started. As I told you, we were not it is not that we can predict how much we'll get every month. There will be some month which we have losses as well, so that is not in our hand. Usually October months are loss month. Okay, so it is with my experience I'm saying, usually I always have October month as losses. So let's see how October is going to be, but as of now we are closing with a performance of 65%. Let us reach 100%, that is our main target. And the target which I kept it for 1 year, we were about to reach in 2 months itself. Okay friends, so this is all about the mechanical trading system. You can follow any strategies available on my YouTube channel. Just for the convenience of people, those who are taking workshop from me, those who are learning from me, I am conducting it live and doing it for them so that they get confidence and trade along with me. So if you want to get further details about the workshop, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. And kindly remember, it's only for people those who are interested in trading for a living, and then people those who are interested in flying. That is, any trader can fly. Thank you and have a nice day.